Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I am finally trying the RevAir blow dryer. I have had my eye on this thing since it first came out, but I just could not bring myself to pay that much money. So after much thought, I decided to go ahead and splurge, and I did purchase the RevAir blow dryer on Black Friday of last year. So now I'm finally getting around to trying it. I've already washed my hair, deep conditioned my hair, and right now it is wet and it still has leave-in conditioner in it. It's just a light leave-in conditioner, nothing thick or anything like that. I have already opened up the RevAir blow dryer. Here is the wand right here, and the actual machine is sitting right here on my table. So I've already read the little quick start guide that they give you in the box. So I am just going to go ahead and section my hair. Currently it's in 2 sections, but I think I'm going to break the sections up so that I can have 4 sections in all. And we are going to go ahead and see how this RevAir works. So I am first going to start out with the dial on 2. And I'm going to start off with the low heat setting here. And depending on how it does to my hair, if I need to go up on the speed or if I need to go up on the heat, we will see how it goes. And in the little quick start guide, I will also add that for coily zigzag hair, it says the average section takes 90 seconds to dry. So it also does say that the size does matter. Begin with a 3" by 3" section at the scalp. If your hair has a lot of volume, start slightly smaller as not to inhibit airflow in the wand. So this section is, I don't even know what 3 by 3 is, y'all, but I'll just go ahead and split it in half just to be on the safe side. I think that might be a pretty good section to start off with. This one right here. I'm just gonna clip that up. All right, so let's just go ahead, put it on 2. So with me first starting off with low heat and then to no heat, and then I adjusted the little dial from a 2 to a 3 to increase the speed. Like, this is what I got, and my hair is super soft and it is dry. Now I did not time it, but it did not take long at all for my hair to dry. So I don't really want my hair to be like super duper straight or anything like that, but right off the bat I will say that the RevAir is doing the thing. using this RevAir to blow out my hair, and y'all, like, this did amazing, and it did not take long at all once I figured out what setting works best for me. And that setting is to have the speed on 5 and have it on high heat. And I also wanted to add that you will know, like, once your hair is dry, and you don't really have to like pull it down a little bit to see if it is dry or not. You can tell because at first when the air is on your scalp, it's kind of cool, but as your hair starts to dry, you can start feeling the heat. So that will let you know that your hair is getting dry. Now, I do also want to add that I did not use heat protectant this time. I strongly suggest, if your hair is prone to damage, to please use a heat protectant for or while using this RevAir blow dryer. But overall, y'all, can we talk about the length, the inches? And I think this did really, really well. So I am not going to straighten my hair or anything. I just wanted to blow my hair out, and I'm getting ready to put it in a braid out. If you are interested to see what products I'm going to use for the braid out that I'm going to do, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already. I really do appreciate you all watching. So comment down below and let me know if you have one of these RevAir blow dryers as well, and on a scale from 1 to 10 how much you love it. On a scale of 1 to 10 for me, I would have to say that it is a 9, and I take a point away from it because, you know, holding this little wand here, you know, up here, you know, while you're waiting for your hair to dry, even though it doesn't take long, can make your arm tired. So that would be the only like downside to this. But yeah, overall, I am so glad that I finally made this purchase. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.